Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. My Dollar Tree is bursting at the seams with autumn themed items. And just wait until you see this. Some of it is completely new to me, so stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. I really appreciate the awesome way in which you show up to support me and my channel no matter what it is I might be doing. Today, I'm still on my Dollar Tree kick. Y'all know I've been doing some amazing Dollar Tree hacks the past few days, but I decided to go back into the Dollar Tree because the last time I was in there, I saw all of the autumn things, but I did not buy any real autumn things. And I decided, okay, let's go have a real deep dive look. And y'all, I'm glad I did, because there are a couple of things that I bought that I am so super excited about, and I can't wait for y'all to see it. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera so that I can give you a closer look. So I have zoomed out because I want to be able to get as much into frame as I can. So I'm just going to go through and show you some of this awesome Dollar Tree goodness. And if you have a Dollar Tree in your area, you might want to give it a quick check to see if your store has put out their autumn themed items yet. Mine is adding to theirs daily. If you don't have a Dollar Tree in your area, or you're outside of the United States, check stores around you. You might be able to find things that are similar to this. So y'all, these are two of the things that I was so excited to find at the Dollar Tree. These boards, they have the look of hardwood, and they might be, I can't really tell, but it looks like hardwood pressed together and probably laid on top of pressed wood. I don't know, but these are so gorgeous. They're probably about 20 inches tall and about 7 inches wide, and I can just see so many ways to use this, and I might even hack one of them. I'm not sure, but I found these in the Dollar Tree Plus section. These are actually $3 a piece, but they are so super sturdy, and they make a great addition to your home decor, or they might even have other uses. If you're interested in knowing whether or not this is food safe, I can't answer that, but please go to dollartree.com and see if they have this item listed on there. Then I believe that you can download what's known as an MSDS, which is the manufacturer safety data sheet, and it'll talk to you about the uses or the non-uses for items like this. So this one says gather, and this one says hello fall, and y'all, they are absolutely one of the two things that I was so excited about finding at the Dollar Tree. I'm saving what I call the best for last, so make sure you stick around. And then I decided to get some of the little wooden pieces at the Dollar Tree. I love these little wooden rolling pins. These are square, but y'all, they are just so stinking cute, and they are $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and they're pretty heavy. So I like these as they are, but I'll probably think about something else I can do with these as well. Then they have the wooden mason jars that you see all over the place. I actually saw these on the website for a big box store, and I'm not joking when I say that 4 of these were over $30. And they look to be the exact same thing. And so I think this is a pretty good deal. You can dress it up. And I think that I might just do that. Then we have the little wooden pumpkins. I also saw these on that same big box store's website. And y'all, they were not cheap. I think it was like 4 for $20. So these are $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Very useful. You'll see a lot of people hauling these. You'll see a lot of people using these. So make sure you're looking at other videos as well, because they'll have some really delightful ways that you can use a lot of the things that I might show you today. And then here's 3 more of the mason jars. So if you wanted to leave these as is, you can, and just set them out as home decor. But on the website, they were 4 for $30. These were 4 for $5. So I think I got a pretty good deal. And then I picked up some of this gorgeous ribbon. I picked up 2 different rolls. I think the other roll might have dropped in my car because it was mainly gold. But this is that metallic rust look. Hold it up like that because my light is shining on it. It's 6 inches wide, And you get 3 yards on each roll, $1.25. And then they have a really beautiful assortment of bows. I didn't get all of the patterns that they have, but I picked out my favorite 3. Because first of all, y'all, I love plaid. So I love this plaid because this does scream autumn and falling leaves. And then this one is more subdued, but it's a beautiful plaid. And then we have this one that does actually have leaves on it. So what I like about these is even if I wanted to try to work these in on the same project, all of them actually do work well together. I don't think I'll be doing that, but I wanted to show you how together these would actually work. Who knows? Sometimes, y'all, I go a little crazy, so I might. And then we all love our gnomes, and Dollar Tree had an assortment of 4. And these are metal, and they're a very thin metal, so you can use these in so many different ways. I like that they have the little hook, because if you were making a large gift bag, you can actually use this as a tie-off or a tag for that gift bag. But I thought that these were just so cute. I don't even know which one is my favorite, but I really like how these look, and I really love gnomes. So found these at the Dollar Tree, $1.25 a piece. And finally, in my hand, I have my absolute favorite autumn find at the Dollar Tree today. Now, they have something else coming out that my store hasn't gotten yet, but when they do, that will be my new favorite. But today, this is my favorite, and I want to share it with you. You guys know that I use these burlap flowers a lot on the channel, and I got mine from Tuesday morning. Well, my stash has been running low, and Tuesday morning is now closed, but Dollar Tree now has very suitable replacements. These are very, very nice. I don't know if they had them last year because I didn't see them. That's not to say that they didn't have them, but I saw them in the store this year, and y'all, I almost lost it. I started swooping those things up and putting them in my cart because I love having these to play with, and I really truly like these. And I have a little idea for these, especially these that I want to share with you. I'm not sharing it today, but I probably will share it pretty soon. But y'all, I love everything that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, but this is my absolute favorite find of the day. Now, I said there was one other thing that they are supposed to be getting in pretty soon that will be my favorite find of all autumn items, but they don't have it yet. I'm not going to tell you what it is until they actually get it in. But I wanted to share this fabulous Dollar Tree haul with you because if you have access to a Dollar Tree, you might want to check them out. One of my favorite store associates told me, it's a good thing you got in here early today because these were not going to last, and we only got a couple of boxes in. So if you see some of the things that I've shown you, go ahead and pick them up because when they're sold, they might come back, but it might take a while. Y'all know how those dreaded supply chain issues are. So I hope that you have enjoyed what I have shown you here today. And if you have, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, come on people, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. We do some fun things and we do some amazing crafts and hacks. So I'd love to have you come and be a part of this. As always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.